So over here you can see that I have a composition shot right here. So let me just go around and then expand this so that I can see more area of the composition shot right here. So now what I'm going to do right here is create out a plane. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on new layer right here. And here you can see that plane is an object that you can bring in inside of a composition right here. So plane is now how it sounds like. It's a plain content right here. So I can go around and rename it out to however I like right here, and then change around the color of this as well. So I'm just going to go around and change it out into, let's say for example, red right here. And then what you can do is you can make the plane fully transparent, or you can go around and then choose around gray color to this right here, or take the color picker and then choose any color from over here as well. You can click and drag and hover around to take any color as a sample for the plain color. So if I were to press OK, then what happens is that you get a plain object, as you can see right here, which is simply a plain object right here with a flat color. So what you can do is you can double click on it and then go to transform right here and then adjust out different things to it, just like with a video over here. Like for example, you can work around with its anchor point right here. You can work around with its position, as you can see. You can work around with its scale. You can work around with its rotation right here, and even add in behaviors as you want right here, as with any other objects. And that is what you have right here. So this is the plane, as you can see right here, that you can work with. And similarly, if you want to go around and add in more planes, you can click on plane right here and choose any other, let's say for example, color right here, just like this, and press OK. And then this is the plane with another color right here that you can work with, as you can see. So planes are especially useful if you want a background, a very simple background, and you want to keep videos on top like this. Let's say for example, so I have this video, and let's say if you want to keep videos on top like this, then it is quite useful right here, just like this. So that is how you can create and adjust out a plane in a composition inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe